Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review apps to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about 1Q, which is an app that sends really short surveys directly to your phone. Let's open the app. Okay, so here's the 1Q app, what it looks like inside. And now the questions will be sent to you via a notification. And then once you just click on that notification, the question will appear and you'll click on it. For example, do you own a gas barbecue grill? And then you answer it. I answered no, but I'm interested in buying one. And they gave me 25 cents. That's literally it. I didn't have to do anything else. It's sent to your PayPal within seconds after you answer the question. It's like the easiest thing to do ever, really. And myself personally, I hate survey apps. I don't go looking for surveys because you get disqualified, or you answer a bunch of questions for 5 minutes and then they're like, oh, the survey will start now. And then you get paid 13 cents or something. So it's just not worth it. I hate them. So this I'd really like, because this survey comes looking for you. And it's usually, I think the most that I've ever had was 3 questions. So if you look at this one, it's which best describes the population size of the town or city you live in, and then it's population of less or more than 250,000, and then indicate the degree in which you agree with the following statement. I pay attention to the ads I see. I said disagree, and then finally select the following statements that you agree with, and I picked a few of them, whatever. It was 3 questions though, and then it pays 75 cents. So what's wrong with that? You know, it just takes a few seconds, and then like I said, it goes right to your PayPal. Now, there is a time limit on answering these questions, because I think what they do is just send it out to a whole pool of whomever has this app, and then different questions for different regions and whatnot. But it does expire once enough people have answered the question. Sometimes you'll get a notification from the app. You'll see this one, it says, sorry, this question has expired. So I didn't get to that one quick enough. So I recommend, if you see the notification pop up on your phone that you have a new question, then open it as soon as you can and answer that question and get your quarter or your 75 cents or 50 cents or whatever. And it's really easy money. Now, there is a referral program to this that pays exactly 25 cents per referral. So I will leave that link to sign up for 1Q in my comments. If you could use that referral link so I can make that 25 cents, I would sure appreciate it. That's going to do it for 1Q. If you want to learn about more apps that you can start making money with today, just go to getpaidwithapps.com and go to the all apps section, and you'll find a ton of apps right there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.